Constantly coughing or can't fall asleep at night? Try this calming and cough relieving egg drop soup. Take a room temperature egg. If the egg is cold, soak it in room temperature water for 20 minutes. Use hot water to warm up a bowl. Crack the egg into the warm bowl. Pour in around 300 milliliters of boiling water while stirring constantly. Add 1 drop of sesame oil, and the soup is complete. Drink 1 bowl in the morning on an empty stomach and 1 bowl before bed. The soup helps calm the mind, nourishes the lungs and body, and relieves coughing. Drink it for a couple of days for the best results. Try for yourself.
For more updates, subscribe to Grandmaster JinBodhi YouTube channel.